My name is Jérémy Saint-Jean. I'm the IT coordinator for Blais Industries. Blais Industries is construction specialized contractor. We have 20 departments that give different services for construction, different levels. So on for the housing, for commercial, industrial, mining. So we have a lot of services to offer to our customer. When we start 10 years ago, we're looking for different tools. So it's why we choose CMiC, because with a main tool, we answer a lot of our needs. For sure, it's we need to manage the change management, because for both employees and direction, we need to take time to achieve all of this. But each time you achieve one part of the system, you share the victory, and after you go ahead. So, but with the enterprise system, it's like a sandbox. So it's possible, because you have access to database, to create with programmer like third-party app. And in times, CMiC propose more update if you want to. So it's possible to compare again and say, oh, now what CMiC proposes is really cool. So we may try it and go with what CMiC propose. Also, sometimes we have more specific needs, so we may be looking for a third party. And CMiC, it's really great because they support API, and now greater documentation about APIs also, so it's possible to plug on many way with the system. So it's really useful to have the choice to go with CMiC, or if we don't have it, then CMiC open the door to be able to use a third party. As a specialized contractor, so CMiC have some different tools that may be less used by general contractor, but we really appreciate. For example, I may use equipment management. So we have a complete department with a ton of different equipment. We speak about small tools or vehicle, and all you need to achieve a big job or small job. So, but you need to manage all the data about this tool. So we really appreciate equipment management to manage this. Also, because we have like 20 different departments. So again, because all the data is together, so it's more easy to manage as a specialized contractor. Also, we have a lot of employees with different situations. So because it's possible to customize reporting, dashboarding, and also all the conditions from different unions. So it's really helpful. And also for the invoicing, the billing. So we use invoice, we use billable table that it's possible to bill with specific amount rate, depend which department is working in delivery job for our customers. So it's really helpful. Different unions, because we work both at Quebec and Ontario in Canada. Also, we work, so it's really different. Sometimes it's by area, sometimes it's by type of worker. So we need to manage it. And with CMiC, we have the tool to be able to manage each case. And I didn't mention until now, but also the support. It's really appreciated with CMiC. So you have a question, you go with a case, and quickly somebody take care of you, come back forward with the first answer available. And if you need to go to find more complex answer, so we continue this process. So this is really helpful, because when you have a system, a beautiful system, but nobody answer your question. It's harder for integration, but also to use it. So for the support, CMiC, it's really great. What is it interesting is like our business is like the big sister. We have other companies that we share like a synergy of about process and also technology. So because we are like the big sister of the industry, the other companies see the potential about CMiC. And because we already find the way to use it with process, with workflow, so it's inspiring for the other one. And CMiC, after, it's more easy to propose to other sister company that, we manage like this, so we may propose to other to go ahead and integrate CMiC on their side and facilitate the integration from what we live and what we appreciate.